Hello everyone, it's Safia here. Welcome back to my channel. So I have finished putting together my May bundles, and I'm really sorry because I had them ready, but because of the lockdown here in my country, I was not sure if the post office will be taking international mails, but thankfully they are taking international mails, but they are not giving any guarantees for deliveries on time. The parcels may get delayed, but they will reach their destinations sooner or later. So if you are willing to wait a little more to get my bundles, then please do check them out. I would also like to say a huge thank you to all my friends for sending me such lovely messages and showing their love and concern for me and my country. As you all know, that India is suffering, is going through a huge crisis because of the COVID. We are hit with the second wave, and there have been so many deaths all around. It's really heartbreaking, but I am thankful to all my lovely friends who took the time to send me messages and ask about me and my family. I am sending you all a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really touched me just to know that my friends who are so far away, but still they were thinking about me as I was thinking about all my friends. And it has been a really tough time, but we are getting through. Everything is hopefully getting normal, and I really pray that everything may be all right and we may not have any more deaths in my family or my relatives or friends. I'm really hoping for the best for everyone, and I'm sending you lots of love and gratitude. So thank you so much. And those special ladies, you know who you are. A special thank you to you from the bottom of my heart. So we will just go through this bundle. I have I have 4 of these bundles, and this is the larger ones. I have 2 other smaller versions of this bundle. I will also show those. So I will just pause the video, and I will show you what's inside. So first we have this applique, and just to let you know that I will be adding more appliques in this bundle, and also the other bundles, because I have still not sorted them out. So as soon as I do that, I will be adding more appliques in these bundles. So this is the first applique. It has some multicolored rhinestones, a mirror, and this is the back. Then each bundle will have a tassel, a fabric embroidered tassel, and it has a bunch of beads hanging. Then I will be adding this rhinestone medallion, and these are glass crystals. And then 2 bundles will have this necklace. It's a multicolored rhinestone necklace which you can add on your journals, or you can take it apart and use it as you like. Okay, so two bundles will have uh, mm, the necklace piece, and two bundles will get these bracelets. And two bundles will get these bracelets. I will show it again in the other bundle. So a piece of this Georgette sari, and it's 4 times folded over. It's quite a large piece. So first we will go through the smaller pieces. A piece of this multicolored cotton embroidered piece, this one, and this 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5, and it has a gold thread embroidery all around the border. So 5 pieces of this cotton silk fabric, and the other bundles may have a slightly different color, but basically the designs will be the same. And then we have a big piece of this multicolored cotton silk fabric, and as you can see, it's quite a big piece. Then we have a piece of this sari border. It has some seed beads and sequins and thread embroidery, and this also is quite a long piece. It's more than a yard. And then a piece of this two colored sari, and it has this embroidery on the border, and this also is a long piece, and it has embroidery on both the sides of the borders. And then a piece of this embroidered sari. It has some multicolored sequins and flowers. And this also is like shaded. It goes from a deep mustard to orange and red, and it has small flowers embroidered. So a piece of this sari. And then we have this royal blue colored, and this piece is from an old sari, and these you see these tiny appliques, they are all hand embroidered. I will just show you a close-up. As you can see, this is hand embroidered. This is the back side. All these tiny pieces are hand stitched. And this also is a big piece. Then we have another blue sari silk piece, and this is the raw silk one. a lovely blue color with some magenta and blue green print. Then we have this piece. And then this tie-dyed sari piece. And this also is raw silk. And it has a border on both the sides. Then we have this beautiful chiffon sari with painted paisleys on the border, and it has a bandhani print. You can see these dotted print, and then an other piece of sari, and this is like this is also like a chiffon, and it has glitter dots. I hope you all can see it. These are all glitter, and this also is a multicolored one. And this sari piece is from a brand new sari, but the sari was a little bit damaged, so I have cut out the pieces of sari that got damaged. The border, it is only on the border, not in the center of the sari, but it's only on the border. So I have cut out the damaged pieces, but most of it is quite usable, and I try to save as much as I could. And it's like a two-tone, purple and red. You will see the shimmer, and this is the back side, and this is the front. And this bundle will come wrapped in this chiffon sari, and this also is bandhani print sari. This print that you see is called the bandhani print, and this also is a multicolored sari with purples, greens, yellows, magentas, orange. So this piece, and this bundle will be wrapped in this sari fabric, sari ribbon. So this was the larger bundle, and I'm sorry, I forgot to write the alphabet. I will be right back. Okay, so this was our bundle A1. So this is our bundle A1, and I will open the other bundles and show them to you. So I would just like to point out once again that A1 bundles, 2 will have this necklace piece, and 2 will have the bracelet piece. So just let me know what you prefer. So the first 2 orders I will add the necklace, and the other 2 I will add the bracelets, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is our bundle A2, and I have 2 of these, so I will be adding these 2 appliques in this, and then this bundle will have a blue tassel with silk threads, and I have added let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 of these different colored appliques. I'll just show you a size. It fits in my both the palms, so I'll be adding this, and I will be adding these appliques in A1 bundle also. So these, and these two bundles have slightly smaller pieces than bundle A, but they are basically the same. So it has a smaller piece. This is like more than half a yard, slightly more than half a yard, with this embroidered border with seed beads, thread and sequins. Then a piece of this sari, and then a piece of this sari. It's similar to the one in bundle A, but it has embroidery only on one side of the sari border. The rest of it is plain. It has this embroidery. Then a piece of this tie-dyed sari, silk sari with this silver border. And then this dark pink chiffon sari with painted paisleys. And then a piece of this orange, yellow, green multicolored sari piece. And then this similar piece to the A bundle, and as you can see, I have cut out the damaged portions, but still there is a lot of border to work with. And then a piece of the pallu of this sari. This is the back side and this is the front. And it's a brand new sari piece. And this bundle will be wrapped with this sari, multicolored piece. So this was our bundle A2, and A2 will have the earrings, the ear studs of the necklace set. So you will get two pieces of this jewelry. So this was our bundle A2, and I will just show you bundle A3. Okay, so this is bundle A3, and in A3 you will get this tassel, a green fabric embroidered tassel piece, and then you will get these three appliques, a purple one, a red one, and then a green one, and then a piece of the sari border. And this one has a longer piece of this sari because the other pieces are slightly small ones, I think so. No, I'm sorry, this one is supposed to be A2. I think I got it all mixed up. Okay, so this piece has slightly larger pieces than A2. I'm really sorry, I got all mixed up. So it has this sari border, Okay, I think the only difference is in the appliques. So this bundle will have these appliques, and these appliques and this tassel, and the A2 will have these appliques and this tassel. I mean A3 will have these appliques and this tassel. So this is officially our bundle A2, not A3. I hope everything is clear now. So we will go through it once again. A2. So this green sari piece, then these appliques, then these appliques, and then basically these are the same pieces. This one is a little bit different. This is the sari piece with embroidery. It has this flower embroidery. And then a piece of this sari with some applique and embroidery here and embroidery here. So these two pieces will have a piece of sari with more embroidery than the one that is in A3. Then a same piece of this tie-dyed sari piece, and this one with the painted paisleys, and then this piece, multicolored one, and all the bundles will be wrapped in this sari piece which I showed you in A1. So this was our A2, and A2 will get these ear studs, whereas A3, the one with these appliques, will get a ring, and you can also wear it if you like. A rainbow rhinestone. So A3 will have a ring and these appliques. Basically the fabrics, the sari pieces are the same. So A3 will have these, and A2 will have the ear studs, and A1 will have, 2 will have a necklace piece, and 2 will have a bracelet. So I hope you followed everything, and I will be posting the bundles on my Facebook page. So please do come on over if you are interested, and thank you so much once again. And I also have a giveaway to do, which I was supposed to do in the beginning of May, but I will do it in a couple of days. And thank you all for being patient with me, and see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And yes, please do take care and stay safe.